Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook where you listed the item. Use the app or desktop, whichever you normally use. Once done, tap the Marketplace icon, then open Messages or Messenger so you see only Marketplace threads. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account because buyer and seller messages live under the same inbox. You'll notice a Marketplace badge or a direct listing link in each thread. That visual cue shows why the conversation is tied to a specific listing. Next, you search and filter to narrow results. Type the item title, buyer name, or a unique keyword into Messenger's search field and scan matching threads. Make sure to open filters. Look at unread, archived, and message requests because Marketplace chats often land there. On desktop, use the browser Find, Ctrl+F, on the conversation pane to jump straight to keywords. Also check the listing itself for linked messages. Sometimes replies appear only when you open the active listing, so that step explains many missing threads. Finally, complete the interaction by replying promptly, pinning or saving the conversation, and reopening the link listing to confirm price and photos. If you can't find messages, check archived and message requests first and verify you're logged into the correct account or page. If problems continue, update the Facebook app, clear cache, or switch to desktop. These steps fix most sync issues. One quick tip: message recovery often succeeds after signing out and back in, because that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.